Boom. Dead stock Jordan 1s with the plush leather and the gold hinge, you dig? Dead stock. Let's get to this review, you dig? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. We about to go ahead and check out these Jordan 1s that just dropped today. They're pretty fire in my opinion. I want to know what you guys think, you dig? Make sure you smash the like button. Leave a comment because I read all my comments. I enjoy interacting with you guys, so leave a comment. I read them. I reply. You guys reply back. Positive energy only, you dig, in 2018 and beyond. Leave a comment. Share the video if you like it. Make sure you smash that like button, of course. You got to smash the like button so they can, more people can see it. It can be in the suggested area or the recommendations, you know what I'm saying? And subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you haven't done it already, you dig? Without further ado, let's get to these kicks, man. You see the box. You know what it is. We're about to get into these shoes right here. Of course, you guys might know what it's about by the title. Some people might have picked them up, some people might not have. But I liked them. I thought they were dope. I wanted to get a closer look up and also review these and share them with you guys and get your opinions on these. Is this a winner or a chicken dinner? Is this something you want to get or you'll pass on? Let me know in the comment section below. Because these bad boys right here look pretty dope. The leather, the clear bottom, the white midsole, Jordan 1s are very comfortable. A lot of people's favorite Jordans are the Jordan 1s. What is it for you? What's your favorite Jordan? I think for me, it's got to be the 11s, maybe the 12s, the 13s, a few other ones, man. But those are probably my favorite ones. I like the Jordan 1s also. Let's get these out the box. Very nice shoe. Very, very, very nice shoe. Check that out, man. Let me know what you guys think of that. Look at the quality. The quality looks really legit. We're going to get into some detail about these shoes. Of course, you see the gum. Well, not the gum bottom, but the clear ice blue bottom. I love the ice blue bottoms of the Jordans. Let me put this box down. Yes, whole black shoe up top. The whole top is all black with like this nubuck leather or something like that. It feels pretty good. It's not too plush. It's kind of firm a little bit, but it looks nice. With the little gold hints around the Nike check. You got the gold Nike logo on the tongue right there. Comes with an extra set of white laces, which I will not be putting white laces in my shoes. I'm keeping these black ones that it came with, as you can see. The midsole is all white, of course, and then you got this bottom. I like the bottoms the most about the shoe. I mean, I like the black upper, of course. I like the all black with the gold hints. That's fine. I think this gold, look at me, switching it up. This clear blue kind of gives it a little extra. If you can keep this blue, you see that, man? That is hard. You can keep that blue. It makes the shoe look just as great as it did when it come out. If it just start coloring and changing colors, I don't know how the shoe's gonna look in my opinion. I don't like when my shoes do that. I try not to wear them so much so they don't do that. But I don't know, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below about these Jordans here. Got the black and gold hints around the Nike check. Got the Jordan logo in the gold right there, man. These shoes is pretty plush. Just a regular inside to the shoe, no leather or suede or anything like that. This is not a premium one. It kind of looks like a premium one to me. I thought it was premium until I got a better hand look at it, closer hand look at it. The leather is okay, but it's not the A1 leather. Of course, not no shattered backboard, but it's a very, very nice shoe, man. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. Let me get this other one out of here right now. You guys can see them together. Boom, boom. I mean, in the light, they look fly. And of course, we're gonna get them under the light in the dark room with that LED light and the 4K visual on here, so you can see it just like if they were in person in your hand. Give you a better look and see if you want to cop these bad boys right here. But I don't know, I like the midsole. I like the laces got a little hint of a little gold right there. It's the plastic little wrap or like little sticker. It's not like a gold metal plate or anything. It's just some plastic. But I mean, this is a pretty dope shoe. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys got these or not. It's about the shoe that you like, not what everybody likes. But I like these shoes right here, man. These right here to me are fire. You can't go wrong with these. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, you dig? Very nice, very nice. And right now we are gonna finish the video. I'm about to go ahead and get these under that light, dog, so y'all can see these bad boys up close and personal. Let me know what you guys think about them. Do you guys think they're 1 out of 10? What do you guys give this shoe right here? For me personally, This shoe right here is about strong 8. Strong 8. A strong 8 though. A strong 8. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Jordan 1s. I don't even have the name for these. They're just some black leather ones to me, you did. I like the shoe, hopefully you do. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Make sure you smash the like button, leave a like, share the video so more people in the universe can see us. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe, man. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Wow. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell, you dig? It's your boy Bossco. I'll see you in the next video. Let's get to these up close and personal looks, you dig? Yeah, you know what? I want to take this time once again. I always want to thank you guys. Everybody who watches these videos, smash the like button, subscribes. We just got to 1,400 subscribers, so the channel is growing. I want to thank each and every one of you. And if you guys are the only person to see me, make sure you tell your friends about me, man. Share my videos. Keep hitting that like button. Keep sharing so more people can see us. We're being seen in other countries, which is crazy. I'm only at 1,400 subscribers, but I'm on my way to 13,000, then 13 million or 130, whatever, man. We're on our way up, man. I need your help, as you guys have been helping me, supporting me, leaving comments. I read them. I hit you guys back. You guys got something going on, let me know, man. If you guys got a channel, I'll subscribe or I'll leave a comment on your stuff. Show you guys love. Positive energy only, man. Let's go. It's 2018, still early. Still haven't hit the halfway point in 2018 yet. Like, as far as January, it's like the 11th right now, the 10th. So hopefully you guys are out there striving for your goals, accomplishing them. Stay steady, stay constant, stay consistent. Let's get it, man. And continue to support your boy Bossco by smashing the like button, watching the videos from beginning to end, leaving them comments, sharing your positive energy, man. I give it right back. Have a great day, man, wherever you are in the universe. Let's get to the rest of this video, you dig?